camera like to cut off on me in the middle of me recording, but I got time.
I like it like.
So what I do is I just rub the glue out. See how it's just coming out? When you just take the alcohol and rub it in a back and forth motion, then it causes the glue to just ball up and roll out the lace. And this is HD lace, so you have to be careful with it, especially if you have pointy nails. I've only had it on for like a good 4-5 days, and I have really oily skin, so no lace glue really holds on my head, and that's why I'm not like washing the wig. I'm just doing a relay, and I'm just updating my cap and all of that, but you'll see. So as you can see, my camera focus, most of the glue is gone. I just have that little bit left. I'm gonna go back over it one more time with alcohol just to clean out any excess oils so that it won't stop it from staying on my hair. I got all of that out. Now I'm just gonna comb out tangles and whatnot for any glue that was on her back to my head. So I've already cleaned off my perimeter with alcohol, and so now I'm going to get my stocking caps. Okay guys, I found my cap, and it's not really a cap, it's some stockings that I use. So what I'm going to do is push my hair back even more. Since this is a 7x7 closure, what I do is pull out these little edges over here.
Pay attention to me, boy. I'm not just talking to hear my head roar.
That's what's gonna be outside my cap and left out, because the closure comes from here to here and all the way back here. So I'm going to leave out that much of my edges. What I use is this Got To Be holding spray, and I also put oils on my hair so that it won't be too dried out, and I put some kaleidoscope drops on my hair to maintain the moisture, because Got To Be is really drying. Okay, and then I put my cap on. And like I said, I'm leaving this part out, and I'll make sure to push it down while the cap is on, so I'll remember that that part is staying out. And I just get the Got To Be. Y'all seen this a million times. Just spray the Got To Be along here. And I'm spraying behind this hair that's staying. Do not spray on it, because the cap will not come off of that unless you're going to pull your hair off with it. It's very hard to come off when you spray that hair that you plan on keeping out. Why did I say out twice? I don't know. But, and then I spray the back. I hold the back. And then this excess, I'm gonna tie it in a knot and then cut it off. And then cut it off. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna go around my ear and cut a slit so that I could pull it around my ear. Okay, so I got that out the way. And so now what I do is get my dryer that I just got today with my fur chair, and I'm gonna sit under the dryer like so. Okay, so I'm done drying, and what I do is I place my wig on my head before I see where I'm gonna cut my cap. I place my wig on my head. So I'm just gonna mark like right in front of where the wig starts, so I'll know where, you know, to cut my cap at. I pull that back down, and then I continue to cut, but I don't cut right at it because like that part's gonna be covered by the band, and I don't want to cut too close, like, you see what I'm saying, like too close to this, because my hair is still kind of attached to it, so I don't cut too close to that. I just cut enough. And I also sometimes like to use tape. Which I probably use this time. I get the wig tape and put it down. But I sometimes do wig tape. I take a napkin and I get the bowl hole protectant, and I put a little bit on, and I go around the hairline portion that is going to be glued, and I make sure that's dry. Make sure it's dry, and then I go ahead and I take the tape off. And I use Boho Active, and I go ahead. My camera's about to die, so I will be recording from my phone from here on out. If the quality looks a little different, that's why. But I take the first the first layer of Boho, and I'm gonna take the back of this little toothbrush. I had popsicle sticks. That's the best thing to use, but I don't have any right now since I just moved. But I just smooth that out around my hairline. And as you can see, it's already starting to dry. So I wait on that to dry for a little while and get clear. And then I'll put on my second layer. Okay, so I told you guys my camera was dying, so it did. So now I'm on my iPhone 10. So the quality has changed, that's why. But now I'm gonna apply my third layer. So I'm just gonna wait on that to dry, and then I'm gonna put my wig back on. And it's just that simple, boo. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the glue is pretty much dried. So I put it on the back end of my hair, and then I make sure all the little hairs are out my way. pull it forward, make sure it's centered, and boom. And so what I do now is just go through and smooth out the hair that's lace along the glue. Make sure it's pressed into the glue. And any parts that are lifting, I go under and add more glue. See, like right here, I will go in and add a little glue right here. And in this area right here, I will go ahead and add some more glue. So that's what I'm about to do. So make sure to remove any little small hairs out your way, because when the hair gets stuck in the glue, it's not cute. It's like it leaves a little black line underneath the lace, and it's not a seamless install when it's like that. So I'm just looking to make sure there's no hair left on my glue. So I'm gonna go to this side where it's lifting and do the same exact thing over here. And this side has dried, so I'm just going to plop that down and press my comb into it. I'm just combing out the spray. So all this right here is going to be my baby hairs, and you can see the lace is on. What the lace looks like so far. And as you can see, you cannot see my wig cap back here. You can't see it over here. It's just seamless, like that's how I like it. I just pull out my baby hairs. So I get my scissors, and with my baby hair, I get it and I like act like I'm razor combing it, so it cuts at a jagged edge and not a straight line. The mousse that you need for laying baby hair is Nairobi. It's non-alcoholic and it doesn't cause any lifting because it's no alcohol in it. What causes lifting is alcohol-based products, because that's what cleans your lace, alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So when you have product that have alcohol in it, it's going to cause your lace to lift. And what I do is get the smaller end of my comb, and brush it over. The same thing. And that's how I lay my baby hairs. I'm gonna do the same thing over here, and I'll be back with the finished look.